everyone. This is the intro to our pool toy project, 2.4 in Automation and Robotics Project Lead the Way. So I want you to watch this video at some point for inspiration, but I also want you to use your own creativity when you are designing this pool toy. So let's figure out, what is this pool toy? A pool toy is pulled along the ground and a movement is produced, such as a head nods, a tail wags, or a figure bobs up and down. The pool toys use mechanisms to transfer the energy from the wheels to the characters that define them. So here are a couple of examples. You may remember these from when you were a little kid, or you may have a little cousin or brother or sister or something like that that has a toy that looks similar to this. So look at this car right here. When you pull the string, the car moves and the wheels turn. Okay, the wheels are turning because you're pulling the string along. Same thing with the little horse here. You pull the string and the wheels turn and the horse moves because you're pulling the string. So with our knowledge of mechanisms, you will design and build a mechanism or series of mechanisms that will meet the following criteria. The mechanism is to be built entirely from VEX parts. Those are the parts that we have here in class. The mechanism is to be built on a small 4-wheel chassis capable of being pulled across a smooth and level surface where the toy will move as a result of the movement of the wheels. We will go back to that in just a moment. A gear mechanism attached to the wheels will make another part of the pool toy move. An illustration should be added to the output of the mechanism so as to simulate the toy. Now some of this will make a little more sense when you watch the video that is linked above, but let's go back to the second requirement right here. So I have highlighted for you, it's a small 4-wheel chassis. How many wheels are you going to use? 4. It tells us right here, it's a 4-wheel chassis. Capable of being pulled across a floor. You guys, just the floor at school is a concrete floor. Maybe you have a tile floor at home, or you have a concrete sidewalk that you were thinking about. Something like that, that you could pull along a floor like that. And the toy will move as a result of the wheels turning because you're pulling it with the string. Okay, now in addition to that, you must have another mechanism attached to the wheels that will make another part of the toy move. Okay, so as we went through all the different mechanisms, we had a crank on just about every single one of them. Okay, so instead of a crank this time, it's going to be attached to a wheel. And when the wheel turns, it will make the mechanism move. Okay, so think about your simple gear train. We had a crank on that. Well, what if we had a wheel attached to it and we were pulling it along? Then the simple gear train would turn as well, right? Okay, so that's what I want you thinking about. We have to attach a mechanism to the wheel, and the wheel becomes our crank at this point. And then the illustration, so you'll see in the video that they are illustrated. We want it to look cute because VEX parts are just like metal and plastic, and so we want to add some drawings and some animations type of things to it to make it look cute and fun and make it look like a toy. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the video in this video. I want you to watch the video when you have finished watching this video.